What's up, guys? We are back. Today we're going to be unboxing a set of mounts here. We have our Hasport EG K5 94A urethane mounts. This is for my all-wheel drive car right here. So we can finally get a motor in here and have some stuff sitting in there. The reason I didn't have the mounts right away is because I did own a set of mounts when I was originally building the Integra. The Integra got sold to Cody. Those mounts are in the Integra now and are for front-wheel drive. So Cody now has the front-wheel drive mounts and my Integra. So Cody repaid me for the mounts by ordering me the all-wheel drive mounts. So we went ahead and got the all-wheel drive mounts in. We're going to go ahead and open up this box and see what's inside. Alright guys, got my little box cutter here. Let's go ahead and cut some slits in this. I have not seen it. This is the first time I'm seeing it with y'all. Let's see what we got. Packaging. Trying to protect everything. Let's see what does this feel like. This feels like the rear bracket, the all-wheel drive bracket. We're gonna look at that. What do we got here? Rear motor mount, it feels like. Packaging. This feels, what's this? This feels like the transmission bracket right here. Packaging, packaging, more packaging. The side mount. Oh, it's under here. The one for the side of the motor right there. That'll go along the frame rail. Got that guy. Put that right here so it doesn't get scratched. Let me just put them on the packaging there. What do we got here? Sounds like the hardware kit. Looks like we have one mount here, one of the side mounts. I don't know if that's transmission or motor side, and the other mount. So, nothing else in the package. Let's, excuse me. Let's look at these mounts. Flip this box over. See what we got. These are the 94A mounts. All-wheel drive. Yes, that's what I wanted. I was hoping they'd be red because my car is red. The Hasport, this right here is the motor side. Well, not the motor side, of this side that holds the post mount of the motor. We got that guy right there. Beautiful. So we got that. This right here should be the transmission side then, with the 3 bolt holes. Yes. Transmission side with the 3 bolt holes. Now, just so you know, these are adjustable to run different heights depending on which motor you're running. So this way your cylinder head is always at the same location. So one is for K20, one is for K24. Okay, so the K24 will sit at, I believe, the higher setting. Hold on, let me remember. 3/4 of an inch. Keep your cylinder head at the same place. Well, I don't want to think right now. But one of these locations is for the K20. I didn't prep this video ahead of time. And one of these is for the K24. I think they're about 3/4 of an inch or something like that difference in height of the block. So your cylinder head placement wants to be in the same place while your block goes lower. So, yeah. Yeah, the block is 3/4. Yeah, so yeah. That's what we got right here, guys. This is the side mount that we're going to put right here along the frame rail. I'm going to do an install video with these guys. It's going to go right there. I already had my bolt holes ready. But it's going to go right there on the frame rail for this one. I'm excited. And I did those with the old brackets to make sure they were ready to go. So that one's ready to go. Let's open up what else we have. We have the hardware. Let's see what we got here. The rear mount. Yeah. That's that rear mount that will go right there in that location. Those bolts will not be used. They give you new hardware. So we got my rear mount here. Loving that mount. I'm loving this red to go along with my red car. It almost, let's look. It's pretty close. Maybe not. Not in the camera at least. But in the light, the normal light, it looks pretty close in shade. So excited about that. And let's see. Wrap. Hardware. Yep. Hardware kit. All the hardware we need right there. Just your normal Hasport hardware, no Downstar. And this right here is our transmission bracket, which will bolt on our transmission. So I come over here, we can look at the transmission real quick. You will have it bolt to the transmission like so. Well, I don't have it lined up right now. It'd be helpful if I lined it up correctly. Okay, we use the hardware anyways. It goes on those 3 bolts right there on the transmission. And at the top you will bolt on that mount. Now that mount you'll either flip upside down or the other way depending how high the motor is. I am such an idiot. I have Cody's car right here and we can look at it. Let's go. Cody is running a K24 motor in his car. You can see he's using the top mount there. The top bolt hole. And the other side will be like that. That is your 3 bolt. That'll go down to the transmission below. So yeah, we got that guy in. And now let's look at this rear bracket. This is the one. I hope it's not this model. Hopefully this is the updated model. But this bracket has been breaking transmission casings. I'm hoping, if any of y'all see this video, let me know if this is the updated rear bracket. I don't know if this is the updated rear bracket or not. But if you know if this is the updated all-wheel drive bracket, let me know. So, yeah guys, those are our mounts. We unboxed them. We got everything here. And in the next video, we'll be putting all this on the car. So we can go start getting this baby ready. Thanks guys. Later. Hey guys, before I go, I did want to let you know, I did confirm that this rear bracket is the updated Hasport bracket. The only problem is, it has been known to still crack blocks, motor blocks, and transmission casings. So we're going to be not using this, and we're going to be utilizing the Hub City Performance mount. You can find it on their website. Theirs is mounted way differently. It's held a lot of power and has not had any issues with cracking blocks, transmission casings, or anything. So, yeah, it sucks we spent all this money on these mounts, but for an extra $150, we have to get a different bracket, and we're just going to do it because we do not want to break a motor or a transmission casing and ruin a whole motor off of something stupid like a mount. So, wanted to give you guys a heads up. This does come with the latest bracket, but the latest bracket still isn't good enough. People are still breaking everything with this. So, we will go with the proven Hub City Performance bracket that they have for their all-wheel drive application. So they fit right on the Hasport EG K2s and EKK2 mounts. So be sure to check them out. They have the correct rear bracket for all-wheel drive. That's going to actually save you a lot of money. So be sure to check out Hub City Performance. I wanted to make sure you knew that. I wanted to let you know about that. If you're going to invest in a Hasport kit, please, for the all-wheel drive, please be sure to get the Hub City Performance rear motor mount bracket. So, thanks guys. Later.